Today I'm going to show you one of two ways of how to create a multicolored lino print using a multi-block technique. I started out by using tracing paper and carbon paper to transfer my design onto each lino block. I then used a permanent marker pen to outline the design again so I could see it clearly. I traced my design onto 4 separate blocks. Each one will use a different colour when I'm printing them. Next, I cut out the design using our lino cutting tools. I didn't want any chatter or unintended texture in the background, so I cut away all the extra lino. I put ink on this block so that I could see where the chatter might go, and then I could clean it up further. I then used masking tape to create a registration to line everything up and make sure that the lino and the paper would be in the same place every time I printed. Next, I used the inks to create the colours that I needed and then printed each layer individually, keeping the paper in the place for the whole time. I created a gradient effect by rolling the ink slightly together on my roller and then printing them. As you can see, all of the colours lined up perfectly. This is an example of how you can print multiple colours using a multi-block technique. Stay tuned for next time where I'll show you another technique for how to create a multi-block print. Thanks for watching!